So, what is behavioral form of survival? What is other different type of form in which the behavior perform? There is feeding. It's considered feeding behavior because every species have different way of feeding. Drinking, fighting, feeding, competing for limited resources, and caring for young ones, feeding and fledging them young ones, and helping conspecifics, helping to their neighbors and cousins, and mating. These all are form of the behavior in which they perform different kind of behavior, and that behavior is vary in different species. Unanswered question will be answered in animal behavior, like why animal migrate, how do they navigate when they do migration or any moment, b prefer certain flower, why this so, and do animals sacrifice for other animals or other relatives. Behavior study remain year of observation, and this kind of behavior require so many years to confirm a specific behavior. And two questions, though different causes, two different causes are there, which are proximate caution. Caution means what is the causes, proximate cause and ultimate cause. Proximate means what is primitive cause. Primitive cause should be instant benefit. Immediate explanation is called proximate caution. Dog eating because they are hungry, and ultimate cause is because when they eat, they make their survival on this earth adapted for survival and for their reproduction for future existence. So this is considered evolutionary explanation. First one is proximate caution, and second one is ultimate caution. Ultimate means what is final goal for any animal to survive. Why they are eating? Because they are hungry. That is primitive and immediate need, because they are hungry. But why they are living? Because they want to survive on this earth, want to adjust, want to live for a long time. So long time will cause evolution in that according to environment changes. So what is the definitions of the behavior? Definitions means different definition for behavior, but all define the behavior. And somehow observable, quantifiable events, we can observe different behavior when someone is angry, when someone is smiling and happy. That all consider the observable behavior. Quantification, we can quantify how they behaving, and directional activity for the survival, and that behavior will direct them to survive in that particular environment. Total moment of animal, like any organ, external organ movement or total body movement is considered a behavior. Sound production, different type of sound will produce in different condition. Postures, how they are posturing, they are in angry posturing and they are submission posture. There is a different type of postures. Color changes, You can see color changes in some animal, like in in some reptiles. I'm not remembering the name right now. You can see their color changing in a particular, if you are observing for a 1 hour or 2 hour, you can notice the change in their body color. That is instant or immediate changes. But there many animal, like even us, change color according to environment. If we are living in cold environment for long time or hiding from the sun exposure, our body will change our color. And if we are exposing too much to the sun, the body color will change. That is also behavior according to environment and according to sunlight. Odor secretion for communication, response for stimulus. It is the simplest definition because someone is responding according to stimulus and according to environmental stimulus. Process of sensing environment and adapting according to that sense. That is also a definition of behavior. Movement due to external stimuli, activity of affector organ. Any organ which is affecting with the external stimuli, like our eye is affecting. So our eye sees some fire or some snake, we immediately go away. So effector organ and stimuli observer. Stimuli observer is eye and effector organ will be legs, and whole body will be move away from that particular condition. Combined result of many body organs, and this is combined result. Eye sense the external stimuli and leg support to respond toward that stimulus. So many organs combine or coordinate one particular behavior to perform, including gesture and posture, vocalization, color changes. These all are behavior. What is gesture? Gesture is like how we are, I'm giving example, like how we are standing on the in front of someone, like who is respected person according to us, and we offering something, like we bowing ourselves. This is a gesture. Posture, how our posture look like. Some look stay this way, some way stay this way, anytime, no matter who is present in front of them. I'm giving a normal, understandable definition of gesture and posture. Gesture, not gesture. Okay. Synthesis definition means artificial definition which naturally not acceptable. Behavior is totally a visible movement, including freezing behavior also can be visible to us. This is why we can define this is a freezing behavior. Posture and any orientation, any animal form. Emotions, expressions, vocalization, odor production, color changes, pillow erection. Pillow erection is goosebumps, like these hair will get erected. And that pillow erection is majorly seen in animal which are like cat. You may see when cat get some trouble, then she make pillow erection to look bigger than actual size. So it can make a fake scenario that she is not, you should not consider her a small animal. I am a big cat. Coordinate nervous system, endocrine system, and muscular system together. Based on stimulus and response mechanism, there is receptor detected stimulus. Some receptors are there to detect stimulus and conduct coordinate. Coordinate is our head, and then effector perform a particular action. Like effector is, as I see, I give a example before. I, what it sees some fire or animal, big animal, trouble animal, in which like lion or snake. I is a receptor for that particular stimulus, and stimulus is snake, and this is I is a receptor. Then coordinate, conductor coordinator is nerve system. Our nerve system is coordinator, and we can consider is a brain. And then effector perform action. Then what is the effector? Effector will be leg, which perform their particular function.